Hello. Thank you for coming to You Can't Sue Us Safari. So, we're going to see some interesting things. I hope y'all ready.
Oh, this should be very fun.
I hope I get to see a lion or a tiger.
Okay, so our first stop.
No.
Our first stop is going to be at the giraffes. As you can see, they are truly habitated right there. Look at that. Ain't it beautiful?
Quite beautiful.
And follow me. Let's keep moving.
Look at the animal!
Yes.
This is what we call a Paratheris leo. Also our Pantherus tigris.
Those are clearly the names, or scientific names, should I say, of lions and tigers.
Ooh, and we're moving on. And if you look to our left, you will see one of our beautiful looking panthers basking in the sun. And on our right, you can see our cheetahs.
Yes, they can actually run 70 miles per hour. Wow. Quite fast.
So our next stop will be the home of the primates. Please stay close. Don't be alarmed if they come towards you.
It's an interesting primate you got there.
Yes. This is our orangutan, and as you can see, this is like its mother cleaning it at this particular. But you gotta be calm because it always looks for its child, its baby monkey.
What is it doing?
Remember, you can't sue us safari.
Hello, my name is Leroy Jenkins, Esquire, and I have the pleasure of talking with you today.
Mrs. Puffington.
And Mr. Puffington.
Oh, okay, and what seems to be the issue today?
Well, I was at a park this safari, and under the supervision of a park representative, I was attacked by one animal, and I think, because they were the animals, of course, they should be liable for it.
Okay, I see. Oh. Alrighty then. Okay, so I read over the incident report, but we may have a problem with your case. The animal that attacked you was not domesticated, therefore the park may not be held liable. That's the thing. I do understand your feelings about how they should be held liable, but the law is just that, it's the law, and we have to follow this by the books. I'll need to check my legal encyclopedias, which fortunately I have right here. I have Corpus Juris Secundum and American Jurisprudence. So we'll get those checked out and we'll see what the law has to say about the incident at hand. Luckily these things are alphabetized, so we're looking up animals, which would be in the AL to AN section. So let's just get that from Corpus Juris Secundum. And alright, we have animals here, and let's get our American Jurisprudence, which is also alphabetized. There we go. Alright, so let's see what this thing has to say. One moment here, guys. Alright, so animals. And we're going to be looking up wild animals as opposed to domestic. Okay, here we are. So it's looking like, according to Corpus Juris Secundum, wild animals do in fact belong to the state, and animals are wild just so long as they are unconfined and they're undomesticated. But going back to American jurisprudence, this states that when an animal becomes property when their liberty has been removed and they're practically confined and they're subject to a person's domain. So that's kind of what you were saying, where it's their animal, so they should be held liable. Also, it goes on to say that anyone who harbors an animal becomes responsible for the animal's habits and if they attack anyone, like what happened to you today. So it's looking like we might have a solid case here. Give me one moment to read on to see if there's anything else that we might need to take into consideration. Oh crap.
No.
Yes, there is an oh crap. What is the exception to this is when an animal is kept for education purposes, the institution which holds a charter for the animal, they really can't be sued for the damages that have been done to you because the animal is kept for education. So it's looking like we don't have a case. Let me check the back. Each of these books are comprised of what are known as they're called pockets. It's basically when there's a new case that comes about. They don't want to print out a new volume, so they just throw this in the back. So let's see if these have anything on animals. Oh, okay, let's see. Disease, pit bulls, liability for injuries. Oh, that's a dog. A landlord. That's a dog bite. Yeah. Unfortunately, you really don't have a case. But you still owe me my $10,000 retainer fee for looking at your incident report.
This is ludicrous.
Bye.